It's past midnight. Okay, it's way past midnight. Who said we're done? Cabin keys swinging on my wrist. Someone spills vodka, someone gets kissed. Glow sticks crack in the hallway lights. Got us into dangerous nights. DJ still blasting on deck 10. Dance floor packed like it's 3 p.m. Your hands find mine through the blinding haze. We've been wild for like 3 days. Shots lined up like a runway strip. Take one more, take the whole damn sip. Someone yells party in room 204, and suddenly we're running like a wild stampede. It's a after party at 3 a.m. No sleep, no rules, no shame, amen. Bodies in motion like a holy sin. Baby, this night ain't letting us win. Strobe lights tearing through our veins. Barefoot running in pouring champagne. Who needs heaven when you got them? The after party at 3 a.m. Party at 3 a.m. 3 a.m. Don't stop, hands up, don't drop. Bad girls, night top. Cruise nights non-stop. Someone brought speakers, someone brought rum. Someone sure disappear, where'd that come from? Girls dancing sexy on the tabletop. Someone yells, turn it up, don't stop. You pull me close in your drunken sway. Your lips taste like vodka and holiday. Your hands lie low as the music climbs, and my heartbeat hits the baseline. Shots hitting harder than the deck lights glow. Body heat rising like a pyro show. Someone bangs loudly on the cabin door. Yells, quiet down, we party more. Is the after party at 3 a.m. No sleep, no rules, no shame, amen. Bodies in motion like a holy sin. Baby, this night ain't letting us win. Strobe lights tearing through our veins. Barefoot running in pouring champagne. Who needs heaven when you got them? The after party at 3 a.m. 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 If the ship sinks tonight, at least we drowned in pleasure. It's a after party at 3 a.m. No sleep, no rules, no shame, amen. Bodies in motion like a holy sin. Baby, this night ain't letting us win. Strobe lights tearing through our veins. Barefoot running in pouring champagne. Who needs heaven when you've got them? The after party at 3 a.m. Okay. Who's still alive? Round 2.